Hello again and welcome to the tutorial series by QuickSite.com. In this tutorial we're going to go over how to add a banner or banner rotator like the one that you see here. So as always, go ahead and log in, and when you do, you'll want to go over to your components and go under banner. And let's first take note of the three subsections we have. We have categories, clients, and banners, and here's kind of how you want to approach this. For your categories, it's going to be best to name your categories corresponding to the size of the banner. That is going to help prevent you placing a vertical banner, for example, in this horizontal spot, which would then distort your template. And in your category manager, like with other categories and other sections, it's very easy. You just click New, and it's just a couple fields. The title, well, let's not call it new category, let's call it 60 by 60, assuming that that is going to be the banner size that we're going to place in here. And you may want to describe or give a description. Again, these descriptions are for your purposes. And there's the new category, simple enough. For creating banners, you're also going to have the option to section off those banners and categories and clients. And obviously you can see here you have a default name of your client. Let's create a new client. Let's just call it Self. Okay, let's say it's a banner that I want to place up there. It's not really for any ad space I'm selling. It's just personal banners that I have affiliate relations with, let's say. Contact name. It's going to ask for an email address. And then you can give any extra information here in this extra information box. And hit Save. And now we have a new client called Self. And then finally, after you've created categories and the clients, then you're ready to actually add banners. And you'll notice that on the front here I have a HostGator affiliate banner showing, to which I've named HostGator affiliate banner. Let's go ahead and open that up to see how it looks. It allows you to name the banner, which I've done here. It asks if you want it to show. It gives you the option whether you want it to be sticky or not. The category it's going to go into, well, obviously that is a horizontal banner, and so that's why I have placed it in the 468 by 60 category, because that is actually the dimensions of that banner. So it helps me make sure that all the subsequent banners I place of that size should go to this category. And then you get to choose client name. Is it the one that comes by default? Well, no, let's say it's me. Now this is where it can come into play if you've selling ad space, or someone is paying you to place their banner on your site. You can actually limit the number of impressions that the banner will have. Because this is a banner for us, we're going to check the unlimited box because we don't want to limit it anyway. And if you get banner code from an affiliate, from a merchant for like an affiliate program, it's very easy. All you got to do is copy the code and paste it into the box that says custom banner code, and you're done. And you notice that the width is 468 and the height is 60, and that makes me happy because that means it's in the right category. If you don't have this code, you can do it in a more manual way and actually type into the click URL the URL you want the user to go to once the banner is clicked. These description and notes here are for your internal purposes. And you actually have a banner image selector, which is another process. It sits in a specific folder within your platform, and you'd simply need to upload the image of the banner there, and then you would select the image you want to correspond, and then this click URL will be tied to that image, and you specify the width and the height of that image. But again, if you just have the code that these merchants give you to copy and paste, it's very easy, and you simply copy and paste it. So let's say I've gone out and got a different banner, and I want to create a new banner. And the category, I'm going to select 60 by 60 Self, and I'm actually just going to kind of cheat here and paste what I had, but I'm going to make the picture 60 by 60. I'm going to force it, and then I'm going to hit Save. And there's the new banner. Belongs to the client me, and it's in the category of 60 by 60, and it has unlimited impressions. And now that I've populated my banner manager, now it's time to bring it to where we can see it on the front end. So to do that, you're going to go into your module manager. If you notice, the module that is responsible for showing this banner here is this banner module. It says type, module, banners, and its position is top position. So when I open that up, this is what it looks like. In this text here, this is to demonstrate your banner module. Of course, this text can be easily removed. That corresponds to this text here. Menu assignment, I basically want it to show on every page. However, I can select menu items and pick and choose the pages I want it to show on. If I want it to show on more than one, I would hit Control, hold down Control while I select the other pages that I want this banner to show on. But I want it to show on all. And for this example, I'm going to place, well actually I'm going to leave it alone. This is not the one we're wanting to deal with. I was just showing you. But we have a new banner. Let's say we want to create a new banner module. So you'd go to New, and you would find your banner module. This banner module allows to show the active banners out of the component within your site. And title, let's call it 60 by 60 example. And I don't want that title to show, so I'm going to select No. And for position, again, I in the first tutorial let you know that all these positions here correspond to a layout of the particular template that you're dealing with. And so I happen to know that banner 4 is kind of in the middle. And then over here it's going to ask for the banner client. Well, I want it to show the banner for the client itself, which is me, and the category is the 60 by 60. And I'm going to hit Apply. Once I hit Apply, it is now time to go and check to see if it took effect on the front end. I'm going to refresh my page. And sure enough, there it is. And it is 60 by 60. Now, of course, it doesn't look good because I just took this picture and crammed it into a 60 by 60 box. But basically, it kind of shows you how this works. This area here is kind of like an area here sectioned off, and this area is called banner 4 and allows you to stick banners there. Obviously, a banner like this you might want to go for example on the right hand side or up in a corner. So let's go ahead and do that just to show you. So let's say you want it to go on the right side. Hit Apply. Then you refresh the page, you'll notice there it is. Okay, and that is how you create banners and banner modules. And if you want the banners to rotate, then you just simply add more banners into the category that you want it to go in. So if I want more banners of size 60 by 60 to rotate in this area here, sorry, right here, then I'm basically going to go in my back end, and when I make new banners, continue to put them into the category 60 by 60. The client name can change, but the category is important for multiple banners to rotate in that position. And then of course through your module manager, your 60 by 60 example shows you that it's a banner module and it's sitting in the right hand side. And that is how you add banners and the banner module. And that concludes this tutorial.